Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khaira Nursya Fitri. My NEM is 6425801997. Today I wanna tell about my opinion about smoking in campus area. I agree with the smoking ban on campus because it helps keep the campus clean, healthy, and comfortable for everyone. Cigarette smoke doesn't stay with the person who smokes. It spreads into the air and can bother many people around them. Some students have asthma or are sensitive to smoke, and being near smokers can make them feel sick. A campus should be a place where everyone can breathe easily. The smoking ban also makes the campus environment better. Cigarettes butts often end up on the ground, in drains, or around buildings. They make the campus look dirty and can harm plants and animals. When people are not allowed to smoke on campus, there is less stress and the area looks more pleasant. Another reason I support the ban is that it creates a more comfortable space. Many students do not like walking through the smoke cars or sitting near someone who is smoking. With the ban, students can move around the campus without worrying about breathing in the second-hand smoke. In the short, the smoking ban helps protect our health, keeps the campus clean, and makes the environment more comfortable. A smoke-free campus is better for everyone who studies and works there.
A few moments later.
So today I want to tell you about the simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Introduction of simple present tense. The simple present tense say that something was true in the past is true in the present and will be true in the future. It expresses general statements of fact and general truth. The simple present tense is used to express habitual or everyday activities. Usage of simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe habits, routines, general truth, and facts. It allows speakers to communicate consistent action and established realities in everyday conversation. So this is simple present tense formula. First is affirmative or positive, subject plus verb 1, or maybe subject plus verb 1 plus s or as for he, she, it. For example, like I play, she play, it goes. The second is negative. Formulanya subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Does is for he, she, it. Example like I don't like tea, he doesn't work here, ya banyak. Terus interrogative atau kalimat tanya ada do or does plus subject plus verb 1. Example like do you understand, does she live nearby. Next Now, this is function of simple present tense. First is facts or truth. Facts or truth used to state a fact or truth. For example, like the sun rises in the east, water freezes and 0 degrees Celsius, gravity pulls objects towards the earth. The second is an action that occurs continuously or habitually. It can also be used to express a habit or action that is carried out continually. Here are some examples. Example like she reads a book every night before bed, I brush my teeth twice a day, or he drinks coffee every morning. And next, function of simple present tense in thread is discussion general matters. Discussion general matters, it means in edition, simple present tense can also be used to explain general information or something that happens all the time. So this is for example, like nurses look after patients in hospital. The second plants need sunlight to grow. The cafe opens at 7:30 every morning. And next is formulas and example. Formula and example of simple present tense is terdiri dari subject plus to be, am, is, are plus complement. Di sini ada contoh kalimat positif. Contoh buat for positive kalimat is she is a teacher. Untuk for negative kalimat is she is not a teacher. For interrogatifnya is she a teacher. So this is so penjelasan sedikit mungkin ya. A formula and example of simple present tense, it means a nominal sentence is a sentence that uses the verb to be, am, is, are as the main verb, the verb to be function as a connector between the subject and the complement, which can be an adjective, noun, or adverb. Nominal sentences do not contain an action verb. They simply indicate the state or identity of the subject. Next is formula and example sentence. The following in the formula for a simple present tense nominal, like for positive sentence, subject plus to be plus complement, like this. For positive sentence, subject plus to be plus complement, the example like this, she is a teacher, terus maybe he is a doctor, like that. The second one is negative sentence, subject plus to be plus not plus complement, like this. She is not a teacher, he is not doctor, or ya dan lain-lain. The last formula and example sentence is interrogative sentence. Terdiri dari to be, subject plus complement, like this. is she a teacher or he's a doctor, like that. Okay, next. Then here are 10 examples of positive, negative, and interrogative simple present tense nominal sentence. For the first example, a positive sentence like I am a teacher. For negatifnya, I am not a teacher. For interrogative, am I a teacher? The second is she is happy today. Negatifnya, she is not happy today. Interrogatifnya, is she happy today? The third is positifnya, they are in the library. Negatifnya, they are not in the library. And interrogatifnya, are they in the library? And ya, banyak dan lain-lain. It's not, oops. Ini for kalimat verbal simple present tense, rumusnya subject, verb 1 plus complement. For positive is example like I play football. Negative, I do not play football. Interrogative, do you play football? So this is penjelasannya. Verbal sentence in the simple present tense, use the main verb 1 to indicate that the action or activity carried out by the subject, unlike nominal sentence that use the verb to be. Verbal sentence focus on action verbs that describe daily activities or habit. Verbal sentence is mean the following is a formula and example of simple present tense. Verbal sentence positive sentence-nya kayak subject plus verb 1, verb complement. For negatifnya itu subject plus do or does plus not, verb 1 plus complement. Interrogatifnya do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Nah, for the subject he, she, and it, add she or es to the verb in the positive sentence, like this. Examples for play menjadi plays, go, gosh, study, studies, marry, married. If the verb ends with a consonant y after the consonant before the y, change the y to I before adding es here as example. Like this, study the consonants ends with a consonant y menjadi studies, terus marry menjadi married, like that. Terus juga many people xy play has an s. Many people xy play has an s instead of es, even though it ends with the consonant y, because play is preceded by a vowel I, u, e, o before ending with the consonant y. For example, like obi menjadi obis, employed menjadi employs, buy menjadi buys, stay menjadi stay. Then do is used for the subject if you, we, they, and those for the subject. He, she, it in negative and interrogative sentence. So, for more information about spelling rules, please see table below. Like subjeknya he, she, it, verbnya menjadi verb plus s itu simple present tense for works, learns, walks, talks, consonant plus y in the end. Kalimat studies, married, carried, terus ada s, sc plus ch plus x is passes, washes, washes, fixes. So this is for 10 example of positive, negative, and interrogative simple present tense verbal samples. For the first samples, it's positive-nya you study hard to exams, negative you don't study hard for exams. For interrogative-nya do you study hard for exams, terus kayak the train leaves at 7 a.m. the train does not leave at 6 p.m. does the train leave 6 p.m. gitu pokoknya. Jadi seperti itu. Nah, terus next ada example questions like for first question, see blah 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 breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. The answer is B. It. For explanation is the subject she is singular, so the verb must take s in the simple present tense. Second question is they blah 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 in Jakarta. The answer is B, live, because the subject they use the best form of the verb without s. And the third example question, does he blah 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 coffee? The answer is B. B is like, because after does the verb must return to its best form. Verb 1, so the correct form is like. The last example question is we blah 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 take B every weekend. The answer is I. A is watch. Explanationnya the subject we use the best from watch without any additional ending, because the subject we use the best form watch without an additional ending. So this is last present. The simple present tense is essential for effective communication in everyday situation and clear expression. So thank you. Okay, bye bye.
Saatnya sudah akhir sekali. Terima kasih dan jumpa lagi.